In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived chats in WhatsApp, revealing a hidden feature that many might overlook. Let's dive right in and simplify this task, making it easy for everyone to follow along. To begin our journey, open up your web browser and navigate to whatsapp.com. This is the starting point for accessing WhatsApp's features on the web, which can sometimes be more convenient than using the mobile app, especially when you're working on a computer. If it's your first time doing this, make sure you have WhatsApp already installed on your mobile device, as you'll need it to properly set up WhatsApp Web. Once you've reached WhatsApp's homepage, you'll notice a prominent option, to log in. Click on this and prepare your smartphone. WhatsApp Web requires a QR code scan, so on your phone, open WhatsApp. Go to the Settings menu and select WhatsApp Web Desktop. This will activate the camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Make sure you align your phone with the QR code, and once it's scanned, your WhatsApp account should sync immediately with the web interface. Now that you're on WhatsApp Web, let's proceed to the home page. Here, you'll see your chat lists. It's convenient, isn't it? You can scroll through your chats just like on your phone. At this point, you might wonder where the archived chats are. They're not immediately visible, and that's why it seems like a hidden feature. To access these archived chats, look at the interface on the left side of your screen, the list where all your conversations are displayed. At the top of this list, you'll find a search bar and some icons. It's quite subtle, but if you look below, there's a section titled Archived. Click on this, and presto! You are now viewing your archived chats. The archived chat feature is a fantastic way to declutter your main chat list without deleting conversations. It's beneficial for keeping track of less frequently accessed chats without losing valuable past interactions. Remember, archiving a chat doesn't delete it. Messages remain safely stored. If ever you want to unarchive a chat, it's just as simple. Open the archived chat, and from the chat options, choose Unarchive, bringing it back to your main chat list. This can be especially useful when you need to revisit an old conversation, or when a muted chat becomes active again. By using this feature effectively, you can maintain a clean and organized chat interface, focusing on what needs immediate attention while not permanently losing access to other important conversations. Now you know how to effortlessly manage your WhatsApp messages, using both familiar and lesser-known features to streamline your communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.